You are probability. Now, probability, not too bad. You just have to remember to do fraction on every one, decimal on every one, percentage on every one. Are you ready? Go. Get a head start. Go, go, go. Okay, Joel, tell me about spinning an odd number. How did you figure out the fraction? One, 3, and 5. So there's 3 options, right? All right, I'm curious, how many of you simplified that? I will totally take 3/6 or what on the quiz? Totally. All right, Joel, walk us through what you do for decimal. Perfect. 3 divided by 6, what do you get? 0.5. Perfect. So decimal 0.5. And then you said percentage 50%. Where'd you get that 50 from? Bounce that right. How many times do we bounce, guys? You gotta remember, bounce twice. Yes. Perfect. 50%. Give me a thumbs up if you got all 3 of those. Now, heads up, I'm going to tell you right now. On the quiz, fraction is 1 point. Decimal is 1 point. Percentage is 1 point. That's why it's a big quiz, because everything's worth 1 point. Okay, Joel, will you call on someone to help me out with number 2? 2 out of 6 for the fraction. Which 2 are divisible by 3? Perfect, 3 and 6. Okay, I'm so glad you mentioned that because a lot of people forget about the 3. They just do 6. Oh my gosh, I wrote 3 out of 6, but you said 2 out of 6 because it's... Class, what could you simplify that to? 1/3. That would totally be acceptable. All right, keep it going, and then what did you do? Wait, what? Check it. I think that's the answer for number 3. Perfect. Do 1 divided by 3. Round it to 2 decimal spots, and you should get 0.33. How many of you did get 0.33? Yes, Kaylee, finish it. What did you get for percentage? Perfect. Now we're rounding to 2 because we bounced 2 spots. So that's 33%. Same as before. Give me a thumbs up if you got all of those. How much on the quiz will the fraction be, right? 1. Decimal. 1. Percentage. 1. Pause. What if on this one Kaylee had put 0.34? Are we going to be picky on the quiz? Yes. We are, so be very careful about rounding. All right, Kaylee, you did great. Comment for number 3, please. All right, Max, give me 2 seconds. I'm going to change up the color. Okay, Max, tell us what you did. 5/6? Because which one is out? You can't use it. 6. Don't use 6 because 6 is not less than 6, right? 6 is equal to 6. Okay, everybody grab your calculators. I want to make sure we're very careful on this one. 5 divided by 6. Max, what'd you get? Okay, so if we round to 2 spots, guys, what is it going to be? Perfect. Be very careful. All right, Max, wrap it up. What's the percentage? Perfect. 83%. Don't forget to bounce that. How many of you thumbs up did you get that one too? Okay, number 2, let's go back to this one. I'm going to ask you, how many numbers on that spinning wheel are divisible by 2? Hold up with your fingers. How many? Shout it out. 3. Yes, 3 are divisible by 2. How many are divisible by 1? Hold up your fingers. Shout it out. 6. I agree, 6 of them are divisible by 1. How many are divisible by 10? Shout it out. 0. None. You can't divide any of those by 10. I think that's the only one that might mess you up. Other than, be careful rounding your decimals. I'm going to clear everything up. Do a real quick decimal review. If you have 0.878, I want a hand in there. What are you going to round that to? Be very careful. Kaylee, what would you round it to? 88. Perfect. This kicks this up, right? So that would be 0.88. What about 0.166? Put it like this. Is that enough info for you to be able to round? Yes. Hand in the air. What would you round that one to? Kirsten, what would you do? 0.17. Yes. Good job. Because technically that's 0.166. This kicks that 6 up. All right. Can I have you come up with your own? On your scratch paper, write down a decimal and then round it yourself. Give yourself your own personal example.